Do you dream of making hundreds and thousands of dollars every month without any prior designing skills or experience? Imagine creating stunning AI art and UX designs for websites in just minutes. The AI revolution is here and you can be a part of it. Join me as I reveal the step-by-step process for using tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion to create mind-blowing AI art. Stick around till the end to learn how to sell your creations on platforms like Fiverr and make serious money. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. I have a question for you. Do you make hundreds and thousands of dollars every single month by making AI art without knowing anything about design? If you said yes, let me know in the comment section. Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you a great way through which you can create design illustrations and UX designs for websites without learning anything about it yourself. You can do it instantly with the help of AI tools. The AI revolution is upon us, and those who will use it wisely will have 10 times their career, opportunities, and money in the future. I'll show you the step-by-step process to make $10,000 every month by just doing copy and paste work. But essentially, we have to know how to effectively use AI tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion to create AI art. Then, we will be able to sell it on multiple websites like Fiverr. So, let me show you exactly how that works. Make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's get started with Midjourney. So what you can see on your screen is midjourney.com home. This is a tool through which you can create some exceptionally amazing looking AI art and illustrations depending on what you enter as text. You need to click on Join the Beta, and you can join their Discord server, where you can create AI art. Let me show you how that works. So, when you click on this, you will be entered into a Discord server. I will just quickly open it over here in front of you. So, this is the Discord server for Midjourney. First of all, we have the Home tab, where you can see people posting what they have been able to create with the help of Midjourney. And to be honest, the results are amazing. Let me show you how you can build something like this. So, first of all, we'll go to the newcomer rooms. As you can see, just click on the newcomer rooms. I'll go to newbies, and over here I'll just scroll down to the bottom. I'll show you how you can create something on the Midjourney. So first of all, you have to write /image-imagine, and you will get a prompt now here. You describe what you want. The more you describe imagination about images you are looking for, the accurate results you get. You can also use certain parameters like 4K, 3D hyperrealistic, photorealistic, Disney style to tell the AI about your images. How do you want the video to look like or the photo to look like, so you would just say inside of the prompt. I could just say the brain with legs and arms is cycling a bicycle. Looking cool, so I've just done this. And it will take about 1 minute. As you can see, this is the image that is created by AI. Again, this just takes about a minute of your time. You don't need to do it yourself. You just need to know how to type the right things to get a good output. Like this. As you can see, this is the output that we have gotten from our prompt. But we can make them even better. What you can do is we will again scroll down to our own design, which is this one. This one will be painted in this orange theme. Now we have certain options over here, right? U1, U2, U3, U4 are upscale operations. If I click on U1, this will upscale this particular image. U2, U3, U4, right? So with U1, I can upscale this image to a higher resolution and I can download that image. Or I can click on V1, V2, that will take this image and will create multiple variations of this image, right? So that is essentially how this works. Let's say I imagine futuristic space art and I click on enter. It will create some random abstract art, right? So this is the art that we get at the end. I will just choose one of these and I will go ahead with V4. I'll just have to scroll down. I'll go with upscale number 4, and once I have gotten the high quality version of it, I will use that link and I will use something else along with it. As you can see, people are creating some crazy art with the help of Midjourney without knowing how to design. These can be great illustrations for books, for graphic novels, or websites, for multiple different things, and it is all possible with the help of Midjourney itself. This is the image that we get at the very end. I'll just click on Open Original and I will copy this image completely and I will go down over here. I will again imagine a prompt. I'll put the link to that image. Let's say I want to have a mechanical keyboard design, but in the style of futuristic space art. So I can just say mechanical keyboard. This is what we get at the end of it. So I'm just giving you an example of what you can do with the help of Midjourney. I'll show you how you can make money with this. You can open up Fiverr and you can type how to make money illustrations. And you will see that people are charging thousands and thousands of dollars for creating illustrations. I will draw an ink illustration for you in $1,975. I will draw a children's book illustration for $6,000. I will create a vintage retro style design for $500. Again, you can use the same terms vintage retro style and you can turn any image into this particular style that this freelancer is creating for you with just using Midjourney. And it will all take 1 minute of time. So, you can start creating gigs on Fiverr and other freelancer platforms so you can offer your services for creating AI art and illustrations and website designs for your clients. You can also create website designs. One more example, I'll just say /imagine UI design of a dating app for dogs, enter. It will now create a UI design that I can then use for any of my clients that I am working with. And it is going to be completely unique without using any of the previous work available on the internet. As you can see, this is the UI design for the dating app for dogs. I just love the detail that you can see in each of these designs. And you can save it and you can submit it to the client that you are trying to work with. This is just an example. It all depends on how well can you describe what you want from Midjourney, and it will create for you immediately. This is the new revolution that we are living in. So, try it out yourself by joining the Midjourney Discord server and using these AI-created illustrations and making money with it. You don't need to make these things yourself as well. You can sell digital designs. You can sell merchandise. You can sell t-shirt, mugs. You can sell posters just with the help of this tool. And you can sell it on platforms like Amazon. You can sell it on Gumroad. You can sell it on Etsy. The sky is the limit for you. So go right out yourself. Let me know if you have any questions about this video in the comment section. If you're still watching, write in the comment section. I watched till the very end. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Go try out these platforms and make money.